Hello, my name is Michelle, and this is Don't Scream. I'm trying to get. Oh shit. I'm trying to get my microphone. I'm trying to get my microphone calibrated. uh. We'll try this and see how it goes. Here we go. I don't. I don't know much about this game, except that you're in the woods, and if you scream, you die. I don't know what the objective is. I don't know if there's monsters or if you just die, but I'm assuming there's got to be something monstery to make you scream. Here we go. It's supposed to be this choppy. Where's my settings? Who's that? Are you okay? Sorry. Sorry. I don't know what to do. I can't. Can I take the knife? I'm sorry. Can I take the backpack? Can you not pick anything up? Is it supposed to be this choppy? The mini mart? Let's go to the mini mart, I guess. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. What's that? My neighbors upstairs are dropping stuff again. Are we in a plane crash? Why is the camera so wobbly? The crunchy is too loud. Oh, that's the plane. Let's see if we can find some snacks or something. Is this a survival thing? Do I need to survive? Do I just need to escape? A vending? Why is there a vending machine? I don't think they carry vending machines on planes. Can I? This is so weird. Okay. Okay, I don't think we can get into the plane. Damn. Oh, maybe we can. It's so quiet, it's freaking me out. Okay, I'm gonna. It's scaring me. It talked a little too loud. Okay, well, it's so quiet that is freaking me out. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. I made it, what, 3.5 minutes? That's gotta be fairly good, right? My first time. Let's try it again. I wish we could pick up the knife from her. Whoa. Not again. Okay. Let's try this way, I guess. Still don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. Just surviving. Just being alive for 18 minutes. I don't know. I can't gasp. My eyes watering up. Okay, I won't go that way again. Okay. We got this. No gasping. We got this. I really hate whispering. I think even my laugh is loud enough that it would, my like quiet laugh. Alright, let's try this again. Were those figures even there? Or did they just appear and I didn't notice? Let's see. I'm so hunched over for this. Try to sit up a little bit. God damn it. That was me again, just sit up. Gonna sit up a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna try going this way again and see if those guys were supposed to be there or not. I don't like the world just loading in like that. That's another vending machine. I'm scared to whisper because I feel like sometimes I just whisper a little too loud and it kills me. But I want to see what happens further in the game. Is that a house? That might be a house. Oh, it's like an RV. Okay. So spooky that this is happening on Halloween. Is that another person? What's going on here? I heard something. Okay. Why is everyone dead? Where am I supposed to go? The longer I'm out here with nothing happening, the more freaked out I get. It's so dark over here. I don't like this. Can't see anything. Is that a rubber ducky? What is that? I hate this. I hate this. I hate sirens like that. I hate the dark. I'm really freaked out right now, actually. What is going on in here? Where do I go? I can't see. Oh God. You killed me! My boyfriend just came home and killed me. Wow. Whoa. Okay. Let's see what happens. I want to try going to the mini mart again. Through the plane crash. We'll see what happens. Oh, I can run. That's nice. Why is the camera so like running very fast? Fastest in the universe, even. So weird, that's a vending machine. Why does it have power? I don't know if I want to go that way. What is that? What the fuck is that? Is it a phone? Okay. Is it like the black box? Yikes. It's not good. Sounded like it was a pretty happy flight before the crash, though, so. It's at the mini mart. Oh, we landed so close to it. It's getting kind of dark. Oh no, not again. I'm gonna cry. It's gonna make me cry. God, I hate this. The mini mart should be nice and throw up. This is actually terrifying to me. I really don't like the thought of being like lost in the dark somewhere. It really freaks me out. And this very subtle music, it really sucks. I don't think we should be here. I don't think we should be here. I'm gonna cry. Is there anything else to this place? Just the scary dead bodies. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing here. What's that noise? Okay. Where are we supposed to go? I don't want to go back to the woods. But I don't want to go where those bodies are hanging either. Let's go check it out. Maybe they hung up the bodies, but then they left because they're done with the bodies. Okay. Oh, they're swinging. Is that boobies? Yikes. Oh god. Oh, I don't think we're supposed to be in here. There's definitely someone in here. Oh god, I really don't want to be here. What is this for? I'm gonna throw up. Shut up. Shut up. Oh god. I really I really thought it was quiet. Okay. Holy crap. Okay. I think that's all the time we got for this video. I might come in. I don't really understand this game. Is it just like you're supposed to just survive the 18 minutes without screaming? I'm assuming if you just stand still. Oh god, it's like we're still in there. I'm assuming if you just stand still at the beginning, things come out, but if you just stay really quiet and just don't move for 18 minutes, I mean, that'd be so boring, but what happens? Maybe we'll try it sometime. I want to try again. There's 4 different ways to go. There was the mini mart, the cemetery, the farm, and the homestead, I think. I want to go to the homestead. I feel like that would be gonna be scary. I don't really get the game, I'll be honest, but I kind of want to try it again. See if we can do better. I'm not good at not reacting to jump scares. I'm very easily jump scared, so we'll see what happens. We'll try it again. Thank you so much for watching. Shut up over there. Oh my god, we're busy. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you had fun. And hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye.